What's up, YouTube? I am about to grub. Look at that. My dad came up to the job and got me, it looked like some barbecue steak or barbecue rib, rice, and a little piece of macaroni and cheese, and then I brought my pasta. And I'm gonna stir that up. Look at that. Yeah, I'm here to eat that. I hope y'all had a good Valentine's Day. I did, even though it rained. I wish it didn't have to have rain. Let me push this back so y'all can see it. I hope I ain't knocking that over. Look at that. Alright, let's try this. See what's going on. I should have got me a knife. Need a little bit of salt in that. And I got plenty of napkins. Because every time I eat, I be needing napkins. I think I put too much salt in that. Let me mix it up. I don't know who made this. I don't know if my brother made it or my dad. Mac and cheese. I always put a little bit of sugar in it. I don't know why, but I do. Just a little bit. Not too much. And it don't even be the real sugar. It be the 0 calorie sugar that I'll be putting in the food. Just a little bit. It's pretty good though. I'm a food mixer, meaning I eat one thing and mix it in with another if it all tastes good, because it's all going down in the same. Ooh, look at that, look at that cheese. All going down together, so. I need a knife. I don't think I have one. I think I'm gonna have to get a little sloppy for this one. And just eat it. He had to have smoked this because I could smell it. He smoked it. My dad loves smoking meat. Just cook it in the oven. They got some type of barbecue sauce on it or something. I'll come up with some new content. I want to talk about that Lauren London thing, but that's going to be small. They ain't nothing too big. Let me put some shrimp. That meat all in my tongue. I mean tongue, teeth. almost over. I want to put some kind of like salt in this a little bit, give it a little extra taste. I wish I had a knife though. I'm gonna have to, you know, manhandle it. I definitely could taste that he smoked this. A meat smoker, if any of y'all familiar with that. My dad would cook any meat in a smoker, no matter where. I'm not a big fan of smoked meat. I don't know, but I still eat it. I don't think I'm gonna eat all the meat. I'll probably, somebody must have been watching me eat it. Oh yeah, I know where I can find that pickled ginger because I'm making that B-Love sauce again, and I got my Old Bay seasoning. All I need is pickled ginger, and I got all the seasonings for sure. Cause remember I told you last time I made it, I left 2 seasonings out, and it was the Old Bay and pickled ginger. I'm gonna have to go to a international store, or they say if you go in the grocery store, it's over there by the Asian food part, which I never look over there, so I'm gonna have to look over there. Never look over there. So definitely. And my daughter said she want potatoes instead of boiled eggs. I'll probably make some boiled eggs for me. I want some potatoes too, but she want potatoes. The de-shelled real seafood meat, not the artificial. Because if you notice, if you go in the store, sometimes that artificial will look like real seafood. So make sure you're getting the right seafood meat. And my eyelash. Yeah, make sure you're getting the right seafood meat, because sometimes, like I said, that artificial meat will look like real seafood meat, and it's not. So make sure you read what you buying it. I ain't got no flaws. Damn. That meat in my teeth already. Oh yeah, I gotta go to the dentist in a couple of weeks. I got some cavities that need to be filled. I got a couple of them, I know y'all, but since I found out I had them, I ain't been eating hardly no candy. I ain't been eating no candy. It sucks because I love candy, but I can't eat it, especially if it's gonna put my teeth in danger. So once I get these filled, which will be in a couple of weeks, I definitely ain't gonna be eating candy. I ain't eating it now because I ain't trying to have my teeth fall out. I need all my teeth. So make sure y'all taking care of y'all teeth too. Go to the dentist, get your checkup, get your cleaning. But you don't want to walk around here with no jacked up teeth. I know I don't. This meat is in my teeth. I need a floss. I don't need I knew I should have got a floss. Alright, enough of this. Enough of that. Because I'm going to save that meat and probably put some more stuff on it. I need some floss. I put some in my book bag, but I guess not. You can take everything out and really look. But I thought I put some. Oh, I did. Ooh. Yeah. I gotta have that. Always have some floss with you, because when you never know when you're eating and shit get between your teeth. Ooh. But yeah, I wanna make some more content about. I'm gonna eat this in a minute. Make some more content about. Not make some more, but do some more content on Lauren London. Cause that don't make no sense either. Common sense should have told y'all. I don't talk about that. I probably talk about that today. Cause I knew she wasn't pregnant. Even when it came out. When I found out she was pregnant, when they brought it out to the public, I was like, what? I ain't believe it. I'll tell y'all in the video, next video, why I ain't believe it. Because as soon as it came out to the public, oh, Lauren London pregnant, I was like, what? I ain't believe it. It won't own like no, oh my God, she's pregnant, congratulations. It won't like that. Because in my mind, next video I'll tell you about that. So yeah. So I had to floss my teeth. Because that meat was stuck in my teeth. And it just was so uncomfortable when you got meat stuck in your teeth. I had to floss. Where you at?
You already know why I was doing some shit.
Girl, I had this meat was stuck in my teeth. Now I'm ready to eat my food, but I wanted to try my dad's food. He didn't cook that meat on a smoker. I'm not a smoker eater, but I'll still eat it. But I ain't no smoker eater. But yeah, y'all, next content gonna be on probably Lauren London, a quick one, because I knew she wasn't pregnant. I knew she won't. But it just seemed like everything that shoots to the public, a lot of people just run with it. No, you got to figure it out. Put two and two together, especially if it don't make no sense. Even if it don't make no sense, people will still run with it without even actually thinking. Like, think for a minute first before you try to run with something on social media. Because some of it don't be making no sense. And they know it don't make no sense, but they'll still push it to social media because they know people going to go for it. So, yeah, be careful with that.
What's going on
Nothing. I was talking about Lauren London. I told them I'll talk about that next content. Her going viral. She was pregnant. I knew she wasn't pregnant. Prime example what I said. I said something about Lauren London being pregnant. My coworker said, by who? Should have known off top she ain't pregnant. She's not pregnant. I'm going to tell you why in my next video. Why I thought I knew off top she won't, even when I heard that she was. Because it don't make no sense. I'm going to tell you why. Well, I thought. And hopefully when I say it, it'll make sense and you can put two and two together. But that's pretty much it with that. And yeah. So now that I know how to make this Alfredo sauce, I'm going to continue to be making this.
Somebody want to be bougie.
She said somebody want to be bougie.
And you make it a different way with some, what was it? Nutmeg.
I had tried, okay, y'all. I had tried some Alfredo sauce the night before. It was a recipe. And you had to add nutmeg, virgin oil, Parmesan, and something else, some other stuff. And the taste, my coworker saying it was a bougie Alfredo sauce because it was kind of watery due to the ingredients and then what I was making. And
tell the ingredients why I said you was going bougie.
because I put nutmeg in it. But that's what it had in the recipe. But
Bougie.
I'm going to say something about that nutmeg. I see no point of it. Because to me, nutmeg is not a taste for me. It may be for others. But I ain't putting no more nutmeg.
She was being bougie.
And no freaking sauce. I was being bougie trying to try something different. Tired of eating the same thing. I wanted to try something different.
She's African American, not Caucasian. Caucasians.
I got Caucasian in the family on my mama's side. Well,
they use
my mama daddy's side?
Do they use nutmeg in their Alfredo sauce?
Oh, I don't know what they used back in the day.
That's being bougie.
So I tried the nutmeg, and it was terrible. My daughter, my oldest daughter, did not like it. She didn't eat it. But if you into flavors like that, then it's going to be good to you. But if not, I wouldn't suggest nobody to put no nutmeg in your Alfredo sauce, homemade, unless you like it like that. Because it didn't do nothing for me.
Don't be bougie.
But I did accomplish the recipe. I accomplished the meal. It's just, it wasn't my kind of taste.
You're trying to be bougie.
But yeah, I just want to try something different.
You've been bougie.
I don't want to cook the same thing over and over. I like to try different stuff.
Yeah, but don't get bougie up with us.
You know what I should do? Put some Parmesan, extra Parmesan on the top. Now that I know how to make this homemade sauce, I'm be trying all different types of stuff. I want to try stuffed salmon with crab meat. I seen that, and I want to make that stuffed salmon. Open up the salmon. Open up the salmon. Yeah, open up the salmon. Put the crab meat inside. Bake it. That's gonna be good. But see, with the crab meat, I want to add shrimp in it with the crab meat. I want to try that next. But I'm just trying different things. Yeah.
You're gonna try different things and waste some money.
No, it ain't because I eat it.
You don't like it. You gonna eat it if you don't like it?
No, see what I do is I'll look at recipes that I know I like. Like with those penne noodles, I know I like those. And I like the spinach too. Matter of fact, I went and bought me a whole box of spinach this morning. So I probably cook that today. So, yeah.
She gonna be bougie, y'all.
Yeah, I'm bougie. Because I like to eat good. Shit, I don't want to be sitting here eating. I work too hard to just be eating bullshit. I like to eat good, if you know what I mean, for my subscribers. If you like to eat good, hashtag eat good. I tell you one thing. This was delicious. Dad, I know you're probably watching. Appreciate you. Food was good. I know you smoked that. I know you smoked that meat. I know you did, because I taste it. But thank you. I appreciate it. And definitely I'll talk to y'all later. Next content probably be on Lauren London. Nothing extravagant, nothing too big. Just talking about what had been going on that had been, viral on social media with pregnancy rumors. Definitely pregnancy rumors. I'll talk to y'all. Peace.